Have you ever wanted to send a very large file to a friend or family and couldn't find a way? Google Drive Full, paid Dropbox, and platforms like Discord or WhatsApp that won't let you upload anything heavy. Well, today I bring you a solution that has saved me more than once. It's called PSI Transfer, a self-hosted app that lets you send files without a size limit using your own server. You upload the file there, share the link, and that's it. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to Tech Today. The very first thing you'll need to do is create a dedicated folder where you can keep all your Docker services. If you happen to already have one set up, then that's absolutely perfect. Inside, we will create another folder called PSI Transfer. And inside that folder, we're going to create a file called docker-compose.yml. Now, we're going to look for the settings, then we open GitHub. We are looking for Tech Today's profile. And we enter PSI Transfer's repo. Then we open the Docker Compose file and copy all its content into the file we just created. Before we move on, I'll explain what each of these sections means. The port is the specific entry point you'll use to access each service directly from your web browser. The default retention setting determines the period that your files will automatically remain stored on the server. In the volumes section, you get to choose exactly which folder on your local machine will be used to store the files you upload. Once you adapt it to your liking, we will save the file with Ctrl+X. Then we run the command docker-compose-d to start the container. When it's done, we open a browser and access our server's IP, followed by the port we've set up. In my case, it would be 192.168.0.40, and the port is 4000. And here, we can see the PSI Transfer interface. It's really very simple. You just upload the file or any other files that you wish to upload. You can select multiple ones. You wait for it to upload, which takes no time at all because we are on the local network. You can also select how long you want the file to remain on the saved server, from 1 hour to a week or even more, or that it can only be opened once, and once it's been opened and downloaded, they can no longer access it. You can also set up a password, any one you want, or generate it randomly. Into telephone, it generates a direct link for sharing the file, a QR code to quickly send it to your mobile device, and options to copy the link or to send it via email. If you click the link, you'll see it asks for the password. Once you enter it, you can see all your uploaded files. You can download them individually or all of them together in a zip. Personally, I highly recommend this application. It's been super useful, and when I have to send heavy files that Discord or WhatsApp won't let me send, and I don't want to pay for cloud storage, you temporarily use your server storage to share what you need. And then you simply delete it when it's no longer needed, or when the time you've set expires. And that's it. It's that simple to have PSI Transfer up and running, solving the issue of sending large files without any complications.